believe it. Let's see the bottom. Oh. Dear pizza lovers, I'm really excited because I'm going to show you something unbelievable, a brand new pizza cooking method which will change the game. Can you remember the combo method with the broil and pan? Well, this method is 10 times better. This method is astonishing, and it was really useful for a lot of people because we got introduced to the world of the Neapolitan pizza and allowed us to make pizzas almost like the ones from pizza restaurants. But now, I promise, you will make a pizza like in a pizza restaurant because you won't have the temperature limitation anymore. My name is Gigio Attanasio and I teach how to make homemade Neapolitan pizza to help you to create moments of delight and harmony and changing people's lives forever. The combo method is fantastic, but it has some cons. First of all, the Teflon film, which is the non-stick layer on the surface. That is very sensitive with high temperature, over 600 degrees Fahrenheit. It could develop some toxic particles. That's why I always suggest to keep the temperature below 500 degrees Fahrenheit. But if you won't pay attention while cooking, the pan might make the bottom crunchy or worse, charred. Especially when pan is too thin, and for the same reason it would be very hard bending pizza as per the Neapolitan tradition. Another reason why the combo method isn't the ideal for authentic Neapolitan pizzas is because we spend 3 minutes cooking on pan and the remaining 2 minutes in the oven, 5 minutes for the whole cooking, way over the expected 100 seconds. What I'm going to show you will allow an end-to-end cooking in a little bit over than 110 seconds. The best dough for this cooking method is the same I made for the combo. A 67% hydrated dough, leavened and fermented in 24 hours. For best results, it's crucial that you also add sugar and oil in the dough. Anyway, you will find the recipe at the end of the video or in the description. The dough is very soft and I have no issues in stretching it. But in the meantime, I would like to show you something. Please come with me. I did preheat the oven for about 1 hour at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, before starting cooking, before finishing to add toppings of pizza, we can turn the knob and selecting the broiler. Inside the oven, there is a fantastic carbon steel, which by nature keeps the heat and slowly releases it without burning. It cooks incredibly well, not just pizza but also bread. I also added a couple of aluminium foil sheets on the 2 sides of the oven to simulate the same environment of a real pizza oven. But let me clarify that this isn't a sponsored video. I discovered the steel called chef steel in Hungary, but I'll explain this better over the next few videos. In relation to toppings, as you will cook pizzas in a domestic oven, don't exceed with them, otherwise pizzas will take longer to cook because there's more moisture to dry. Let's add a few mozzarella. This is an instant video as I want to quickly try this cooking. Let me check the temperature. It's scorching, it's about 842 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, I was forgetting to add some oil. Here we go. Let's see the bottom. It's not charred. Look at this, I can bend it. This pizza was cooked before and apparently, as there's no mozzarella, it was less wet and cooked slightly better. What do you think? Guys, I'm really speechless. This new method called gray method or metodo grigio is based on a carbon steel which is different from the stainless steel. It takes a little while to reach the temperature, but differently from a classic pizza stone, it doesn't make pizza crunchy, which is essentially for Neapolitan pizzas. The steel collects the heat and wraps pizza by improving the cooking. It creates a sort of tiny pizza oven, which is also great for bread, and this will be one of the topics of my next videos, how to make a perfect bread. There's a link in the description where you can order the steel from the Hungarian site. It ships in a few days, and most importantly, you can also find a 5% discount code that I got as an exclusive for you. Honestly, I wanted to give something more than a video to you. So if you would like to buy it, don't forget the discount code. If you don't want to buy Chef Steel, try to check for an alternative on Amazon and let me know. Instead, if you want to make a fantastic dough 67% hydrated, you just need to click this button. Click below to find other important and crucial videos about cooking, ovens, pizzas, and much, much more. This is Chef Steel, this one, and this is the gray method. Guys, see you next time!